is Kasturi De. Today I am going to continue with the discussion of the water chapter. Today I'll start with water pollution. This is according to ICSE syllabus class 8. Okay. So what is water pollution? It is the contamination of water with substances which makes us unfit for many types of uses. Okay. Like human consumption. Okay. So water pollution is nothing but it's a contamination of water, this is the cause. This is caused by certain substances which are mixed with the water, and this makes the water unfit for many uses. Okay. The dissolved and suspended impurities of fresh water sources along with the waste products from homes, agricultural lands and industries which are harmful for humans are called pollutants. Okay. Now causes, the pollutants, what are those pollutants? These are the dissolved or suspended impurities of fresh water sources along with the waste products that is from the waste products which come out from the homes, agricultural lands or from the industries, these which are harmful for humans and even some animals also. Okay, animals also, they are harmful. So these things are known as pollutants. And what are the causes of water pollutions? First is chemical wastes of the industrial and agricultural processes which is added to the water bodies. Okay. Then the thermal wastes from the nuclear or thermal power plants which are added to the water bodies, even the sewage and the garbage which are discharged from a house. Okay. These also which are discharged into the river waters, they also cause the water pollution. Now these polluted waters cause waterborne diseases as different kinds of germs grow in these polluted waters, like typhoid germs, hepatitis germs, cholera, diarrhea, dysentery. All these kind of germs, they grow in the polluted waters, and so they can cause waterborne diseases. Okay. Next is how to prevent this water pollution. Awareness should be there to spread and sanitary. There should be awareness. The awareness should be spread throughout the throughout the world, you can say, so that sanitization facilities should be made available in the rural and the city slums to discourage people from defecating in the open. Okay. So you should not defecate in the women. Pass your feces in the open, especially these are generally done in the rural areas of the city slums. So this awareness should be spread among the people, and also the sanitization facility should be made. Okay. Then domestic sewage should be treated before being discharged into the rivers. The solid matter separated from sewage can be used to generate biogas, imported alternative fuel. It's a biogas is an important alternative fuel which can be created by separating the solid matter from the sewage, and then it is generated into biogas. The waste products of the industries, that should be treated before they are discharged into the rivers or other bodies. Okay, the waste products which come out from the industries, that should be treated. Okay, treated in the plants, so that the water which come out as the final discharge, that should be free from these pollutants. Okay, and that can be discharged into the rivers and other water bodies. Then detergent, pesticides, polythene, etc. should be wisely used. They should be wisely used as they are non-biodegradable. Okay, and they pollute the environment, even water, to the undesirable extent. So this polythene, pesticides and detergents, they should be used in that quantity which is very minimal quantity. Okay, and that should not be overused, or that should not be used in a very haphazard manner, so that as we know that these substances are non-biodegradable. Okay, and they can pollute the environment. So they should be used very wisely, so that they do not pollute the environment to that extent, to undesirable extent. Okay. Then washing and cleaning the utensils, clothes, bathing of animals, human beings should be avoided in or near the water bodies. Okay, that is utensils washing, clothes washing, bathing of animals and human beings, that should be not near the water bodies. Then wells should be covered so that the well water does not mix with the other pollutants of the atmosphere. Then purification of the water bodies should be carried out from time to time. Dead bodies of animals should not be disposed in just like that. It should be disposed in a hygienic way. Okay, these can prevent water pollution. Okay, then how to manage water. We know that water is very limited. Okay, but we know that it's 3/4 of the our earth is covered with water, but the pure water, the drinking water, the water that is fit for consumption, that is very limited. Okay, so there can be a possibility of a scarcity of water, and if there is a scarcity of water, then plants will dry out and the earth will lose the greenery. Not only that, the human beings and other animals which depend on the plants, they will also die out if the plants are not there, because they depend on the plant for food, oxygen, and even shelter. The wood and other things which are supplied by the plants, that is also that things are also supplied by the plants. So we depend on the plants for almost everything. So if there is no plant, no animal life will be there. Okay, so we need to preserve water. For this, first one, that is dams and reservoirs should be constructed to control the flood and we can collect water. Then taps should not be left running open while brushing our teeth, shaving, washing clothes, etc. Okay, when we are doing so, we should the amount of water which we need, we should keep it in a bucket or anything like that, in a container, and then we should close the tap. Okay, then when it is needed, then again we should open it. Then in industries, water should be recycled or used in all possible ways before disposing. Okay, water should be recycled. Then more trees should be planted so that we can slow down the water which is flowing on the land, and that can we can thereby increase the seepage of water into the soil. Okay, then rainwater should be harvested. Okay, then leaking of the taps and pipes, that should be repaired as soon as possible because that is a wastage of water. Then polluted water should be recycled and used for irrigation. Okay, next is biodegradable fertilizers and pesticides should be used. Okay, we should not use those pesticides, that is chemical fertilizers and pesticides that can pollute the environment, pollute the water very fast. We should use biodegradable ones so that it can pollute, it will not be able to pollute the water to that extent. Then farmers should be use better methods of irrigation like drip irrigation, etc., in which water is supplied to the plants by drop. There is instead of filling the entire field with water, this can save water. Okay, next okay, this is the end of the chapter. So go through all the videos of the text videos. If you have any doubt, do let me know. Do write in the comment box, share with your friends, and do press the like button, and also do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a good day.